You didn't invest when you should have. You didn't invest faithfully. And most of us don't invest the way so many people tell us we should have. So all those videos that we see about how much we should have saved by age 20, 30, 40, 50, if you want to retire early, if at all, are very discouraging for most of us. And the millionaires and YouTubers that make those videos, they just make us all feel like crap. So what are we going to do? What are you going to do? No matter how old you are, today is the best time to start. This is your 2-minute warning. I'm James Callahan, and here are 3 new habits to start today. 1, pay yourself first. Start with 10%. Gross, net, doesn't matter. Just start with 10%. From your last check, from your next check, don't care. Start somewhere. Start there. You worked for it. Why not pay yourself for the work that you do? This is part of becoming your own boss. 2, now move that money to another separate account. If you don't have another account, open one. A savings account in the same bank, an online brokerage, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade. It doesn't matter. Open one today. It takes minutes. Do it now, or at least wait a minute until we're done here. And 3, I am not a financial professional. This is not a recommendation. This is for educational purposes only. But that 10% you're paying yourself every paycheck, now here's the 3rd thing. Don't touch it. You bought a chair. Sit in the chair. The day after we buy a chair, we don't turn around and say, I want to trade this for a different chair. We don't sell it the next day. We don't trade it the next day. What do you do when you buy a chair? You sit in the chair. As Warren Buffett said, when you buy a house to live in it. If it drops 2% in market value tomorrow, you don't sell it, take the loss, and move on for another house. Remember, most mortgages are for 30 years, not 3 hours. You're not a day trader. This has been your 2-minute warning. I'm James Callahan. Thank you.